There's a variation on the area box model that I'd like to show you. This is the same problem that we just did. This time I'm setting it up with 3 boxes. There are 3 digits in this number, and I'm setting it up with 3 boxes. Each of the each of the digits goes in a different box. Again, we can think of 42 as 2 having no power, so we're going to be using a 40 to think. And we would say 40 goes into 8. It does not. If I was to do the multiplication on this, 42 times 0 would be 0, and we'd have a remainder of 8 that would carry to the next box and sit right next to the 4. 40 does go into 84. 4 goes into the first digit 8 2 times. So a 2 would go above this box. And multiply back to the original divisor. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. The subtraction, we get 0. 0 then is carried to the next box. So basically, this stays a 5. 4 goes into 5. Of course, 40 does not go into 5. That's too little. So our answer would be 0. 0 times the 42 would be 0, with a remainder of 5. So our answer is 20, remainder 5, just like we got in the other problem. But there we had to, it wasn't as clear as far as the position of the boxes. Your child would have to be more vigilant to where the numbers would go, above which numbers of the dividend. Again, we would put our divisor outside of the boxes. I'll make them a little bit bigger this time so you can see better. We have 3 digits, so we'll need 3 compartments. A 9, the 2, the 8. 23 can be rounded to 20. And we would say, would 20 go into 9? No, it would not. This would be an X off or a 0 if you would like. 0 times the 23 is 0. When you subtract, you get 9, which is brought to the next box and sits next to the 2 that's already there. 92 is big enough for the divisor to go into, but we're thinking 2 goes into 9 4 times. We're going to multiply back to the original divisor. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry 1. 4 times 2 is 8, and 1 more is 9. The subtraction comes out to 0. This is carried to the next box. You can put it in if you'd like, or just eliminate it. It's just 8. 23 will not go into 8, so that's a 0. 0 times the 23 is 0, with our remainder of 8. So the answer to this problem, as we got before using the other method, is 40, remainder 8.